Let's talk about fuel cans. When you need extra fuel for the extra long day out, you're going to need them. The Sea-Doo 15 litre Link-Q fuel can, super convenient. It's got a built-in pour in the lid, super quick release mechanism, so you can take it on and off as you wish, and pretty much the go-to for onboard fueling. Now, this is obviously an official product from Sea-Doo BRP. They also do a larger version, 20 litres.
I prefer this one. This is 20 liters, but the only difference between this one and that one, that is a stackable, this is not.
The other option you have is the DIY aftermarket fuel can system, some people prefer to use. You obviously got the VP jug and just the sort of generic cans you can get online. You can strap these down on the back. I've seen a varying array of doing it. However, they're obviously not as easy to use, but have a benefit of being a little bit cheaper. So go on, what's your take on things?
Personally think that, you should go for the safest option, especially when we're talking about fuel.
Yeah, with our sort of retail customers, I do know some of them do use this sort of style of wrapping it down and stuff. But again, I know it's a little bit more money, but I would recommend something that's being personally designed to carry like explosive, flammable liquids.